Welcome to our new construction tour of the Scarlett model home in Clermont, Florida. This home has 3 features that buyers love to see when they are looking at new construction homes, and you can consider a multi-generational home because you have a full downstairs bedroom and bathroom ensuite, which is pretty rare, and the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs, so I can't wait to give you a tour, but let's check in this front room first. So a lot of new construction 2-story homes sometimes don't have a bedroom downstairs because they are trying to squeeze as many homes on thin lots. All the bedrooms are upstairs in the layouts, and downstairs is typically the living area. This home has this downstairs bedroom suite, which is incredibly desirable for a lot of people if you have an older family member or someone who can't do the stairs. And then the primary bedroom is upstairs with 3 other bedrooms and a loft. And there's a bonus room as well too. So let's go check that out. A nice feature of this home is this wide open foyer. To the left here is that downstairs bonus room. Currently it's configured as a bonus room for this model home with 2 French doors that open up to it. So most people can use it as an office, but it could also be converted depending on how you do your structural options when building this new home. Past the foyer, we have upstairs, which is where the rest of the bedrooms are. And we have this formal sitting area, and then this beautiful living area, pretty open from your formal sitting to your living room, and then the kitchen. One of the best features of any home is a gorgeous kitchen, and I would say this one definitely ranks up there. They did the nice dark bronze finishes and handles, this olive cabinet color, which you don't see very frequently. One of the main questions I get all the time from buyers when they're looking at new construction homes is what's included, right? And it really depends from builder to builder on what their base level design features are that are included. So with some builders, you'll go to a design center and you'll be able to pick out everything for your home. So you would be choosing the tile, or carpet or laminate. You would choose the cabinet color. You would choose the color and style of the handles, the type of the countertop, and the configuration of the island. Whether you do a gourmet kitchen or you just do a slided range. There's so many choices if you choose a home builder that allows you to build from the ground up and actually has a design center. Otherwise, some of these builders make the decision process a little bit easier, and they have packages that you can choose from, and you'll basically choose a color scheme, and that color scheme will have predetermined choices for the flooring, the cabinets, the countertops, the paint, and so on and so forth. Majority of what you see here in this model home, though, is definitely not included in the base price or feature set. So always plan to spend money at the design center, and a healthy design center budget is usually somewhere between 10 to 20% of the base price of the home so that you can get the designs that you want. My favorite feature on this home, besides the kitchen, is the lanai, which is nicely covered. You can easily add a screen if you need that, and you can add a summer kitchen with a gas range since this home is on gas and this whole community is actually on gas. But let's check out the upstairs before we go outside. On the second floor of this floor plan, you have majority of the bedrooms, except we do remember there's that bedroom suite downstairs. And then on the front side of the house, which is behind me, we have 2 additional bedrooms, one that uses a hall bathroom, the laundry room. Fun fact, the laundry room will always be on the same floor as the primary suite for new construction. So the laundry room, and then we have bedroom number 3 that's upstairs here. And then we have this gorgeous loft as we come to the back of the house. So plenty of space so that you have your downstairs living room and your upstairs living room in this loft area. And then of course, the primary suite, which is perfectly on the back of the house, so you can enjoy your great view if you choose that lot that's on the lake, and plenty of space. So we're in the Parkside Trails community in Clermont, which just opened. These models just opened and it's April. And this community is now beginning to sell their first phase of mini. They have just over 5 single-family floor plans, and there'll be townhomes in the communities as well. There's a lot of options available. And you may say, Clermont, well, Clermont. And let me tell you where we're situated in Clermont. We are literally very close, like bicycling distance from the Lake and Orange County line, because this community is situated off of Wellness Way, which is a brand new road that was built, and that is going to be one of the connection roads between US 27 and Avalon Road, which means getting into Orange County, if you work in Winter Garden or you work at Disney or you work anywhere in Orange County, is going to be a lot easier because you'll drive right out your neighborhood, down Wellness Road, and you'll be at New Independence Parkway and onto the 429, and basically anywhere you need to be in Orlando in about 30 minutes-ish. So that's the cool thing about this neighborhood, is you can get in early now while prices are low. They're running some great incentives. They're going to have a resort style amenities and pools built out as well. And they have many phases as they build out this community. And we are still in phase 1, touring these beautiful models. If you're interested in your new construction options, reach out to us. We are the new construction experts of Central Florida, myself, Ben Laube, and our Ben Laube Homes team.